Anyway, what? Are you recording? Alright, so how's it going?
What game are we playing?
Call of Duty Bad Company 7.
Makes sense.
No, Call of Duty Bad Company Reach 4.
That is a good game.
Yeah. Do you know what the main character of that game is? Ash.
From Pokemon.
Yeah. Yeah. His main Pokemon is Super Meat Boy. And his
What about SpongeBob?
he's the bad guy. He's the main boss of the game.
So heavy metal.
That's a bit too much information, but yeah, sure. Heavy metal. Oh crap! Which one's the? There's Zoom.
Stop zooming.
No.
Stop zooming. No.
Yeah, Super Meat Boy's best move is no, he bashes the meat. He bashes it with like a sledgehammer. He gets a sledgehammer, like smacks Ash's meat. Go on the squad, Connor.
I am in the squad.
No, go on the squad.
No.
Still loading. Rude.
Stop it.
I have a HDTV, but I can't bother to put it on the HDTV, so I just leave it upstairs in my room. Muddy. Can I lean back?
No, it's fine.
So I can lean back?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just like this.
Attack this position. Attack this position.
He sounds like Finnish. Is he Finnish?
My baby. Let's use him. Wow.
Do you remember my game? It was like me versus like four people.
There's me on. Me alone. What's wrong with my helicopter?
Connor's a guy down there.
Out of control. Out of control.
Jump out, parachute. This is the wrong game.
Look how bad you are at this.
I'm not really bad.
What are you playing?
Yay, we lost Alpha as well. Yay.
He's an idiot. What's that? All my games? What?
Quiz go. Montage.
Montage, right. I'm ready for this.
Sing this.
Right.
Sup, bitch. Yeah. Sure it does, and it's not tiny. I think you should kill that tank.
What, the French tank?
Yeah, just blow it up with your C. You blow it up. C4, it kills you. So what is your goal in this game, Connor?
My goal is to see people's willies.
You should haul anus to. You should haul anus to C, by the way. Yeah, you should, I think.
Don't say such rude words.
Anus, it's a part of the body, it's not that rude. I don't play Minecraft.
Mum.
Is that going well for you? Just
Yeah. I'm graffitiing. Wait, no.
graffiting.
No.
Wop wop wop.
Is that who dubstep this video?
Yep. Drop the bass. Wow, wow.
Where's there a chicken?
Barbara Streisand. What?
Where's there a chicken?
Clucky, the chicken is now a dubstep artist. Please kill you. Oh, you didn't die. 2, 1.
You'll go, I'll be okay. I can dream the rest away. It's just a little touch of fate, it'll be okay. It sure takes its precious time, but it's got rights and so have I. I turn my head to the sky, focus one thought at a time. I do not like the little things under my tongue, but sleep. It could
What's up? How's it going? My name's Bob Striker.